In this video, we will explore 4 scenarios which will demonstrate how Ctrl+E simplifies various tasks compared to formula-based approaches. So let's get started. Suppose you have a list of candidates with their first names in column B and last names in column C. And if I want their full names in column D, then I might use the concatenate function like this. Equals to concat, open bracket, B3, then space, comma C3, close bracket. Then drag the formula down to all the cells or using ampersand symbol like this. Again drag the formula down to all the cells. However, there is much more effective way to achieve this. Just type the first and last names together in column D for the first candidate, press enter, and now press Ctrl+E. The full names of all the candidates are generated seamlessly. Actually, Ctrl+E is the shortcut key for flash fill, which is an advanced feature in Excel that automatically fills values in a column based on the patterns recognized in the existing data. You can also access flash fill by navigating to the Data tab, and under the Data Tools section, you will find flash fill. Alright, now let's consider generating email records. Enter the email for the first candidate, such as emily.rodriguez@abc.com. Move to the cell below and press Ctrl+E. All the emails are generated. Let's take a step further and create personalized welcome notes. Enter the candidate's name along with a message for the first candidate. For instance, Dear Emily, wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a successful, fulfilling year ahead. Now move to the cell below, press Ctrl+E, and the job is done. Alright, moving ahead, now consider a column with full names formatted like this. And our objective is to extract the name from this. For this, you might use a combination of mid and find functions like this. Or you may use text to columns feature to extract the names. Drag the formula down to all the cells. However, Ctrl+E simplifies this process as well. Just type the full name for the first candidate in column D, move to the cell below, and press Ctrl+E. So do you notice how Ctrl+E has efficiently split the names into separate columns, eliminating the need for complex formulas? Okay, in the next example, imagine a column with entries like this, indicating the candidate's name along with year of joining. Here we need to extract the year of joining in column G. For this, enter the year of joining in column G, move to the cell below and press Ctrl+E. And that's it. Year of joining for all the candidates is extracted. And in the last example, consider this column containing city names in various formats. To align them properly, you might need proper function. However, Ctrl+E simplifies this task as well. Just type the city name with first letter as capital and press Ctrl+E, and all the names are sorted properly. Alright, having explored the benefits of using Ctrl+E, it's crucial to highlight one important point. While Ctrl+E proves to be a powerful tool for streamlining various tasks, it's essential to note that, unlike formula, Ctrl+E does not dynamically update values when the source data changes. For example, in the first scenario, if I generate full name using formula, let me insert a column for this purpose. And now I generate full names like this. So if I make any changes to the first and last name values, then full names generated using formula will get updated. But full names generated using CTRL+E will not be dynamically updated. So when using CTRL+E, ensure that your source data is finalized before relying on its efficiency. While CTRL+E provides a more straightforward alternative, it won't automatically update values if source data changes. It is a powerful tool for static data, significantly reducing the need for complex formulas in certain tasks and offering a more user-friendly experience. So with this we come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you very much.